here in downtown Moab and finding some of my postcards in various gift shops. That's mine. So it's a hot one here in Arches National Park. It is 100 degrees. Actually, right now it dipped down to a cool 98 degrees here in mid-June. Let's get some quick landscape photos here. Alright, so I'm at Skyline Arch here. Sunset. Got a nice arch in the background. Got the Canon 5D SR shooting f/16 at ISO 100.4 seconds here. And getting some great light here. It's about time to go eat too. I got the 24-105 with the B&W circular polarizer on there. Got a little bit of cloud activity, and nobody's out here bothering us right now. It's fabulous. You don't get too many days like this out here in the desert, at least not in Arches. I'm Steve Boyce. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you soon.